Welcome to another video. French country decor embodies a harmonious blend of rustic elegance, warmth, and timeless charm. From its earthy color palette to its emphasis on natural materials and electric accent, French country decor offers a retreat-like ambience that celebrates the beauty of simplicity and comfort. French country decor traces its roots back to the picturesque countryside of Provence and other rural regions of France, influenced by the coastal landscapes and the rustic lifestyle of the French countryside. This style emerged as a response to the urban design trends prevalent during the 17th and 18th century. It prioritized functionality and comfort over ornate embellishment, embracing a more relaxed and informal approach to interior design. Authenticity lies at the heart of French country decor, with a strong emphasis on natural materials such as wood, stone, and clay. Exposed wooden beams, distressed furniture, and stone floors infuse space with organic textures and a sense of history. Soft muted hues inspired by the French countryside dominate the color palette of this style. Shades of creamy whites, gentle blues, soft greens, and earthy tones create a scenery of calming ambience, while subtle pops of colors and add visual interest without overpowering the space. Um, French country decor embraces, embraces the beauty of imperfection with vintage and antique furnishing playing a central role in its aesthetics. Weathered cabinets, farmhouse tables, and intricately carved armories exude character and a charm, evoking a sense of nostalgia and timelessness. Delicate floral patterns and textile are signature elements of French country decor, adding a touch of romance and femininity to interiors. From toile and day joy patterns to provincial fabrics, these textiles adorn curtains and bedding, infusing spaces with a sense of elegance. Inspired by the sun-drenched landscapes of Provence, French country decor incorporates Provençal accents such as lavender, sunflowers, and olive branches to bring the outdoors inside. These natural elements add a fresh and aromatic dimension to the interiors, enhancing the overall sensory experience. French country decor embraces an electric mix of accessories ranging from wrought iron candles. Uh, these curated essence add layers of the visual interest and personality to spaces, reflecting the homeowner's individual tastes and interests. A timeless appeal of French country decor deposits evolving design trends. French country decor contributes to captive homeowner with its timeless appeal and enduring beauty. Its emphasis on comfort, authenticity, and understated elegance transcends fleeting facts, creating spaces that feel welcoming and lived in. Whether in a quiet cottage or a modern farmhouse, French country decor evokes a sense of simpler time and celebrates the art of slow living in a fast-paced world. French country decor um, remains a beloved style choice for homeowners and seeking to infuse their interior with warmth, charm, and timeless elegance rooted in the rustic beauty of the French countryside. Thanks for watching.